She doesn't like me very much, does she? Where have you been all day?
I've been around.
I'm not interested in vagaries, Stefan. You've been dodgy. And Caroline, she's been very lovely. Which I've come to recognize as a tool of distraction. So, do you have something to share with me? Or should I come tell it out of you? I broke through your safe looking for the sword. Why?
Because I don't trust you.
What do you want from me? I've shown you the sword, I've explained its value, I've been on your side this entire time. Do you want to seek your brother with a handshake?
Well, I found the letters.
You've had a few pen pals over the centuries. Is keeping my victims' letters really so different from writing their names on the wall like you did? Loneliness, Stefan. That's the reason you and I memorialize our dead. There's the briefest of moments before we kill, where their life is literally in our hands. And then we rip it away. So gathering all the people's letters or writing their names on the wall is a reminder that in the end, we're left infinitely and utterly alone.
Like you did.